Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your keybinds on keyboard in Megabonk. To change your keyboard keybinds, first open the settings menu. Then make sure you're in the controls section. Scroll down to the keyboard input section. As you can see, here you can change your keybinds. You have typical movement keybinds, forward, backward, left, right, jump, interaction, sliding, aiming, quick reset and map overlay. And, well, when you made your changes, close the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.